Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Majestic Tarot and Astrology. This reading is for the Taurus ascendants for the month of February. So, dear Taurus, your first card is Eight of Cups. You are disappointed, you're shattered, you're feeling shattered, you're heartbroken, and that is because you invested yourself a lot in a situation, probably a love situation for you, um, a relationship or a dating scene, something. You invested yourself a lot in this place, and you're not seeing the results that you want to see. So you are deciding to walk away from the situation. Although things are stable, they're quite stable, they're just slow moving, but you have decided anyways to move ahead from the situation because maybe things are not going as per your expectations, and that's why you have decided to move ahead from the situation. Yeah, that's why you're feeling disappointed. Okay, so mid of the month, Queen of Wands is coming up. So you will speak your truth, you will come into your power, you will understand your worth and your value, and you will not be willing to settle for something less than what you want. And this comes in your personal life, probably in your love relationships as well as in your family dynamics. So you're not willing to settle for anything less. You believe in your power, you believe in your worth, you know what you deserve. So you're not willing to settle for anything less, and you're speaking your truth, you're voicing out what you want from this connection, or all, maybe all the connections in your life. You're voicing out your opinion, and maybe some people may not like it, but anyways you are doing that mid of the month. Okay, so the third card for you is Eight of Wands. It seems like some long due communication is coming into your life. Maybe you were waiting for somebody to communicate with you. You were waiting for some confirmation, some message to come into your life. आप इंतज़ार कर रहे थे काफ़ी टाइम से कि कोई आपको मैसेज करेगा, कोई क्लैरिफिकेशन देगा, तो वो क्लैरिफिकेशन, वो मैसेज आता हुआ दिख रहा है। या ये हो सकता है कि आप किसी को मैसेज करने का, क्लैरिफिकेशन देने का डिसाइड करें। नाउ only you know what is happening with you in this case, but most of the people I see communication coming in from someone else, from a person you maybe had a important connection with in the past, and that person is contacting you again, and maybe they're coming up with some clarification, or they're giving you your answers. Yeah, just clarity coming in overall. Okay, by the end of the month. So bottom of the deck is Four of Pentacles. You are just trying to make your personal life more stable. You just want your life to be stable and steady, going in a steady pace, moving ahead in a steady pace. That's what you want from your life, and that is what is happening behind the scenes. That is what is happening for you. You just have to keep going the way that you are moving ahead. Like whatever it is that you are doing is working for you, and keep moving ahead in that direction only. Yeah, see, so once you are once you are done with everything that you are doing, lovers is showing up, so you will get what you want, what you deserve, what you believe you deserve. You will get that connection, you will get that kind of love. But before that, you have to stand in your power, and yeah, just learn to speak your truth in your connections. That is going to help you a lot. Initially it may be a bit tough for you, but otherwise after some time you will get what you deserve. Either a situation that is not working out for you will end, or uh, you most for most people I see a situation ending and you moving ahead, sorry, and you moving ahead in your life, and some you believing in your worth and your value, and then some good connection is showing up for you. Okay, where there will be love. from both the parties. So for the career front, I see Eight of Wands, that Eight of Swords, sorry. So you, again, you have invested a lot, and you seem to be disappointed in your work, like how things have turned out. You seem to be quite disappointed by that. You have done your part. You have done your share in the work, like whatever you had to do, whatever it is that you had to give, you have done that already. But you are not getting what you deserve. You feel like your hands are tied in this situation and you cannot do anything more about this, but you have given your best, you have given your best shot. So now you're just pulling yourself back from the situation and watching what is happening. You're just in this observational energy because you have already done whatever you were supposed to do in the workplace. After that, mid of the month is Four of Cups. This is a bit good news because you are not 100% happy, but you are a bit satisfied with the things, with the way things are turning out. Not 100%, but I would say 50-60% there. Like now, either you are coming to terms with the situation in the workplace कि हाँ सब ऐसा ही है, ये चीज़ ऐसे ही है, and so you're finding your ground because of that, because you're accepting the reality of your workplace. So you are coming into a sense of groundedness, and you are feeling bit happier than earlier. Of course, in the beginning of month you may feel disappointed, but by the mid of the month you will feel happier comparatively, not 100%, but comparatively. So by the end of the month, Keeper of Wands is coming out, but in reverse, you have a lot to say. You want to speak a lot. You want to voice out your opinion, but you feel like you cannot do that because maybe some authorities are suppressing your voice. They are not letting you speak your truth. The authoritative figures at your workplace, boss or manager, anybody, is uh, stopping you from voicing out your truth or voicing out your opinion. So that struggle I see you going through by the end of the month, and because of that, you are coming into this innate aggressive nature. Like you're internally, you're feeling very aggressive, and you just want. It's like if somebody did this to you, you'll just blast out any time. So try to keep in check because sometimes you cannot. People are not always willing to listen to the facts, and I have myself seen that in work situation and places. So ignore what is bothering you and focus on what is making you happy. Okay, so the bottom of the deck for you is the lovers. So it's probably that you're meeting someone from the work situation, and yeah, love is happening for you at the work situation. It's the lovers card. You are finding love at your workplace. And maybe a cycle of work is ending for you, like you have been going. I see mostly this is happening for all of the signs that a cycle that has been going on for a very, very long time in their life is coming to an end. So, cycle of long standing work, some cycle in your work situation is coming to an end. Maybe for a few people, it's a work that you have been, a career that you have been following for a very long time is coming to an end, and now you're starting to something, switching to something brand new. So but that love coming into your life is coming with some endings in your workplace. Okay, if I see, yeah, see, Ace of Wands, new beginning is coming for you, but before that happens, something has to end. So that's it for the Taurus people. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video.